Alright everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Piece by Piece Challenge from picoCTF 2026 as part of their general skills set of challenges. So it says here, after logging in, you will find multiple file parts in your home directory. These parts need to be combined and extracted to reveal the flag. Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So we're just going to click on Launch Instance, and we're going to see that we're given some SSH credentials to log into the server. So it says SSH to dolphincove.picoCTF.net and log in as CTF player with the password, this password over here. So before we get started, what we need to do is we need to open up the workspace because we're going to be solving this with the Cylab web shell. So click on Open a Workspace, and then inside the terminal over here, we want to right click and then select this frame, then select Open Frame in New Tab. So that's going to put the web shell in its own browser tab, which is what we want. Afterwards, we'll have access to the web shell here, and we're going to be using SSH to access this challenge. So the information we're given is this. So this is the information we're given. So let's go ahead and decipher this. Where is it? Okay, so it says here, SSH to dolphincove.picoCTF.net and this port, and then log in as CTF player. So if we actually want to create the SSH command that we're going to be running, it's going to be SSH CTF-player at dolphincove.picoCTF.net. So just copy this, paste it in, and then we need to provide a port number. So -P and then this port number. So just remember that your port number and my port number are not going to be the same, and the port number is different every time we start up the server. So this is the command. This is what the command is going to look like that we're going to be using to log in. So let's go over to the web shell, paste in the command. So SSH CTF player at dolphincove.picoCTF.net -P, the port number. It's going to ask us if you want to continue connecting. The answer is yes. And then it's going to ask you for the password. So the password is given to you in the challenge description over here. So just copy it, go back to the web shell, and then paste in the password. When you paste in the password, you're not going to see any output. This is normal. Just hit enter, and then you're logged in. Okay, so before we continue, let's talk about what we need to, well, first of all, let's take a look at the instructions.txt file. So cat instructions.txt, it says here, the flag is split into multiple parts as a zip file. Use Linux commands to combine the parts into one file. The zip file is password protected. Use this super secret password to extract the zip file. After unzipping, check the extracted text file for the flag. Okay, so what's going on? So this is picoCTF 2026 piece by piece. In this challenge, we're asked to combine a file in order to extract the flag from it. So what we're doing in this case is we're reassembling a multi-part zip file. After we've logged into the server, we see that there are instructions with the message above talking about the separated parts of the file. We need to combine them into one zip file. Okay, to put a multi-part zip file together, we can use the cat command and output the results into a new file called archive.zip in this case. So we got part AA, part AB, part AC, part AD, and part AE. We cat them all, and then we put it into one file called archive.zip. Okay, so back at the web shell, we're going to cat part AA. Actually, wait, I think I can just copy all this. So we're just going to copy all of this, then paste it. Okay, so we're going to read all of these files together and then redirect it into a file called archive.zip. And then after that, we see that there's a zip file in here. So zip archive file, okay. So to unzip the file, we just need to use the unzip command. And it's going to ask us for a password. Remember that in the instructions, it said that the password for the file was super secret. So just type that in. And while you're typing it in, you're not going to see any output. That's normal. Just put in the password, hit enter. And then it says extracting flag.txt. So the last thing we need to do to finish the challenge is to just read flag.txt. Okay, so read flag.zip, flag.txt, and we got the flag over here. picoCTF zip and split files are fun, okay? Read the file, copy the flag, then go back to the challenge, and down at the bottom, submit the flag, and you're finished. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the piece by piece challenge from picoCTF 2026 as part of their general skills set of challenges. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.